Hey everybody, I want to talk to you about deploying our Versity smartphone. Versity is much, much simpler. Everybody that's touched this and deployed it so far starts to get really excited about the possibilities of this. So I want to walk you through what happens when we go to deploy our phone. The first thing that happens is you set up one device as a master device. So that master device has a couple of things on it. It has the credentials for getting the device onto the Wi-Fi network, and it has the address and credentials to log into an EMM, an enterprise mobility management tool. Those are tools like AirWatch and SODI and Mobile Iron that manage devices on the network and manage what you can do with those devices. Every single one of the customers I've talked to so far has one of those already. If they don't have one, we have some options. We have partnerships with all of those companies and we can get them set up to do a deployment there. In any case, one device gets set up as the master. Your other device that you've just pulled out of the box will come up. It'll be at a start screen. You can take the master device, bump it up against the new device, and share via NFC or near field communications all of that configuration information to the new device. The new device will ask you, hey, do you want to use this configuration you just got? You simply click yes. From there, the phone is on its own. It reaches out to the network, it registers itself on the network, then it finds that EMM server, it downloads its profile, it locks down the applications the customer wants to limit the use of, it configures itself and gets it all ready to go. From there, there's just one step left, and that's configuring the Spectralink apps on the phone. When I talk about Spectralink apps, I mean our SIP dialer, our push to talk, our safe app, all those things that make the phone configurable, make it enterprise grade, that customers are going to want to do with the device. Right now, those EMM partners are not really good at doing app configuration. So we're providing a tool, again, called SAM, Spectralink Application Manager. It's got a server-based side and an application on the phone. And through the server, you can tell the phone what extension it's going to have, how to log into that extension, what the groups are for push to talk, etc. And so you can actually pre-configure SAM with one CSV file that you upload. So after this phone has been through that process with the EMM, takes a few minutes, gets itself configured, then it appears on the dashboard in the SAM server saying, hey, I've finished my configuration, I'm ready to learn my extension and learn the information about the Spectralink apps. And with one click, you can import over from the CSV file that you had all of the information to this phone. It downloads itself, it configures itself, and it's ready to go. So once you've done that, the phone has its configuration files, it has its SIP registered, and it's ready to make calls. Our customers, our partners, and even our own internal SAs that have tried provisioning Versity with this new process are absolutely loving it. It's a great process, smooth and easy to use.